Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the exercise. I hope you all have read the chapter well. Let's solve the exercise. After solving the exercise, you are to do this in your notebook. Whatever the MCQs are there, solve that in book. Other question answers you are to solve in your notebook. Okay, so let's start from the first question. The egg on the roof of the patio was that of a hen, a snake, a peahen. Yes, it was of a peahen. The next one. How long did it take for the eggs to hatch? Yes, it was also given in the chapter. How long did it take for the eggs to hatch? 23 days, 1 week, 3 weeks. How many? It was 21 days, and 21 days comes in 3 weeks. So, what is the correct answer? 3 weeks. This is the correct answer. The next one. Choose another suitable title for the story. The Peahen and the Cat, My Pet Peahen, The Peahen and Her Chicks. As the title of the chapter is given, The Family on the Roof. So in the same way, what do you think can be the title of the story? It depends on your thinking. What do you think? So if you find the answer, part A, part B, part C, anyone you can do, but the most suitable title for the story will be The Peahen and Her Chicks. Why can't we take My Pet Peahen? Because the peahen was not a pet. It was just coming on the roof, keeping its eggs. So this we can take. The peahen and the cat. This also we can't, because the cat just took one egg and the girl shouted and it dropped away. So the most suitable title out of these three is The Peahen and Her Chicks. Okay, so the answer is The Peahen and the Chick, and the answer of second one is 3 weeks, and the answer of the first one is a peahen. Understood? Now all these three questions you are to solve in your book. Put a tick mark with pencil. Okay? Next, come to the question answers. You have to tell whether these are true or false. The egg was first spotted by the mother. Yes, because when the story started, we all find that mother was calling the girl that what she spotted. And so it was mother who spotted the egg first. So the answer is, what is the answer? True. The answer is true. The next one. A snake's egg is bigger than that of a peahen? No, because when the girl saw the eggs, she saw that the egg was in big size. The egg was of big size. And she knew that this is not the egg of a snake, because the egg is in bigger size. So the snake egg is smaller than the egg that the girl saw. So in this way the girl came to know that the egg was not of a snake. It was the egg of a peahen. So the answer of this is false. A snake's egg is bigger than that of a peahen. This is false. Then the next. The mother peahen did not care about the weather. Yes, as we read in the story that it was scorching heat also, still the peahen, she was sitting on the eggs, and it was rainy day also. When it rained at that time also, the peahen was sitting on the eggs to save them. So if we are reading the chapter properly, then we can solve any answer. So we have read it properly, thoroughly. So it's very easy for us to come to know the answers. The mother peahen did not care about the weather. Yes, the answer is true. So we have done these three first answers, MCQs, and these true false. I hope you have understood well. Let's see what is there next in the exercise. There are some more true false also. A snake ate one of the eggs. Is it true or false? There is no role of a snake, and the one egg, it was taken away by the cat and it broke. So the answer of this is a snake ate one of the eggs. It is false. The answer is false. Next one. This story is about mother-child relationship. This story is about mother-child relationship. It is true? Yes, it's true. Because in the whole story we find that how mother peahen saved the eggs, how she sat on the eggs during scorching heat, rainy days. She keep on sitting the eggs. So this is about mother-child relationship. As the chicks they come out from eggs, she taught them how to fly from roof to ground and from ground to roof. So this shows the relationship of a mother and child. So the answer is true. Okay. So these true false are completed. Now let's come to the answers, question answers. Why did the girl believe the eggs could not be Why did the girl believe the eggs could not be of a snake's? Yes, the girl believed that the eggs could not be of a snake because the eggs that the girl saw, they were big in size, and the girl knew that the eggs of a snake are smaller in size. So in this way she came to know that these eggs are not of a snake. Okay, clear? I will be sending you the answers PDF also, but it's very necessary to discuss all the answers of these questions, because I want you to make this your habit. Whenever we have read the chapter, try to find the answers yourself. Okay, so let's come to the second one. Why was the spotting of the eggs wonderful news? Why it was a wonderful news for the girl? It was a wonderful news for the girl because earlier also she wanted to have a bird as a pet. And as she spotted the eggs daily, there were on the fourth day there were 4 eggs. So she came to know that there is any bird who visits regularly to their house. So it was a wonderful news for the girl. Okay. Now let's come to the third question. What food did the girl give to the peahen? Yes, the girl gave some bites of bread and bites of roti to the peahen. She put them on the roof of the house. Question number 4. What was the incident involving a cat? Yes, there is one incident in the chapter. In that incident, there involves a cat. What was that incident? The girl, as there were eggs on the roof, and at night, mother peahen went out for some time at night. At that time, a cat came there, and it took one egg. But as the cat was taking the egg, the girl noticed the cat and she shouted. As the girl shouted, in this noise, due to this noise, the cat threw the egg and ran away. But as it threw the egg was broken. So this was the incident that involves a cat. Okay. The next one. Suppose the eggs on the roof were a snake's egg. What would the girl have done? What would you have done in her place? Yes, we all know that these were the eggs of a bird. These were the eggs of a peahen. If these were the eggs of a snake, then what would the girl do? And what would you do if you are in that place? There are two questions. What would the girl have done and what would you have done in her place? Okay, let's take the girl first. If the girl, as we find that the girl was happy to see the snakes, to see the eggs of the bird, so we come to know that the girl is very good at nature. So if the girl found that these are the eggs of a snake, then also she would have saved them, according to us. And now it comes the turn of us. What would you have done in place of her? If I would have done in place of her, we can take the same, because we all know that eggs, there were small babies in the eggs. So if these are of birds or of snakes, then we should save them. Okay, so what would we do? I would also have saved the eggs if the eggs were of snake in place of peahen. So this would be the answer of mine. Okay, in this way our question answers are completed. Yes, now let's come to the word meanings. These are also very important, because word meanings also you have to write in your notebook. So let's come to the first page and see the word meanings. The first word that is given in your book is entwined. Entwined means twisted together, joined together. Okay, patio, an adjoining place outside a house for sitting. As I told you, patio is a place outside the house that we use for sitting sometimes. You have seen in front of many houses there are some space that where we can the people they can sit relaxed. Okay, next is slithering. Slithering, these are the movements of a snake, how the snakes walk, that is called slithering. Peahen. Peahen is a female of peacock. You all have seen peacock? Yes, peacock is very beautiful. Peacock is more beautiful than peahen. Okay, but in this chapter we read about the peahen above. So next word is longed. Longed means wished. Okay, intentions. Intentions means plan to do something. What is, sometimes we ask what is your intention, means what you want to do. Okay, so intentions means plans to do something, what we plan, what we want to do. Okay, what we have plans to do something. Next, vicinity. Vicinity means the area around, the place around, as where we live and where is our house, and around our house the place, the area around our house. So vicinity means the area around. Dreaded. Dreaded means feared. Aghast. Aghast means filled with horror and surprise. Who was aghast? The girl was aghast to see the cat when it was taking the eggs. Okay, so the girl was very fearful also, and surprised also. The next word is scurrying. Scurrying means running with quick and short steps. Who was scurrying? The cat was scurrying when it was taking the egg of the peahen. Okay. Shrieked. What is the spelling of shrieked? S-H-R-I-E-K-E-D. Shrieked. Shrieked means shouted loudly. Students, whenever you will write word meaning in your notebook, you have to take care of the spellings properly. There should not be any spelling mistake. read very carefully and write in a very good hand in your notebook. Okay? And before writing in notebook, as you know, what is the pattern of writing word meanings? First, you have to draw a line with pencil and scale. Means you have to divide the page in two parts. In first part, word, and in next part, you have to write the meanings. Okay? In between, why I am telling this? Because this is very important in what way you are doing your work in the notebook. Okay, this is the most important thing. You have to take care of the spellings properly. The next word is hullabaloo. Hullabaloo is a sound, a lot of loud noise. And what was the noise? At what time this was the noise? Loud noise. When the girl noticed the cat taking the eggs, and she shouted. At that time, in hullabaloo, a lot of loud noise. The cat dropped the egg. Teenyweeny, very small. Teenyweeny means very small. Itsy bitsy, very small. Okay. For whom these words are used? Teenyweeny and itsy bitsy. These two words are used for the small chicks. You see, as we can see, how small, how sweet, cute these are. See. How cute these chicks are. One chick and the another chick. And see, the mother peahen is sitting. Okay. So our word meanings are completed. One word that was left on the next page. Hedge. Hedge means a row of bushes in a garden. Dear students, you have seen in the park, or if there is small garden in front of your house, sometimes there are unwanted plants, some unwanted material or things in the park. That is, we call them bushes also. Okay, so there are row of bushes in a garden. Hedge means a row of bushes in a garden. In this way, our chapter is completed. We have done word meaning also. We have done exercise also, true false also, and we have discussed question also. Students, you are to fill this exercise also. It's very easy. Look at the pictures and you are to complete it. What you have to do? Use the size words above to describe the following picture. See, in this box, many words are given and you have to use these words for all the pictures that are given here. Okay? I am telling you the meanings. If I find that there is any difficulty for you, minute, very simple. Tiny means very small. Tiny means very small. Okay? Small, big, you know. Large. Large means large, big. Huge means very big. Okay? Enormous also, very big, and beautiful, gigantic. This is also very big. Okay? So you are to use these words for the articles, for the things that are given here. So look at the picture and write the word only. What is next in the exercise? Let's see. Yeah. Find words from the lesson that mean the same as the clues and the solve the crossword. This is very interesting. You are to solve this crossword. Okay. So our chapter is completed. I hope you have understood it well. So now what you have to do for this? Read the chapter again. Write difficult words first. Then write word meanings. After that, write question answers in a notebook and fill exercise in book. You are not to use any type of color or pen while filling in the book. You are to use only pencil. So I hope you have understood it well. So stay well, Be safe, read it well. Thank you very much.